All right, IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. Were you patient when you were young? Patient means you had a lot of patience, bardasht. So, were you patient when you were young or you were younger?
Well, I don't remember exactly when I was young, but I guess I was patient. My parents seldomly told me about my childhood behavior. So, to answer your question, I was patient.
Yeah, I used to be a very patient child in my childhood, like that.
Yes.
Very good. This is good. How do you feel when other people are not patient?
It feels very bad when other people are not patient, because if we do something in hurry, then there are chances that things can go bad. So I don't feel good when other people
When other people are not patient, I
are
really
not
feel
patient.
bad about it.
Yes.
Okay. Are you less or more patient when you are angry?
Well, I don't get angry occasionally, but when I do, it's momentary. And also, I go silent when I am angry, and I try to go reason with. I try to go with reasons with public. So I am more patient when I am angry.
Okay. Which jobs need more patience?
I think tutor job needs more patient, because it is his patient that he listens all kind of students
Students?
and answers the questions accordingly.
Okay. All right. So, according to me, teacher's job or tutor's job is the one where we need more patience.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about sunglasses. So, do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Yes, I have a pair of sunglasses of Ray-Ban. I bought it from Emporium
I
Mall.
bought them.
I bought them from Emporium Mall in Lahore. They look really nice on me and I enjoyed them.
And I like them very much, or I look cool when I wear my Ray-Ban sunglasses. Okay, let's go on. How often do you wear them?
I wear them regularly in summers. They protect my eyes from harmful ultraviolet radiation
Very good.
coming from sun
Good.
and dust particle in air.
Okay, so to answer this question, I mostly wear my glasses during the summer days, right? Okay, have you ever lost sunglasses?
Yes, I have lost my sunglasses many times. I placed them at different places and
I
forgot,
usually misplace them.
misplaced them and forgot, and I feel bad when I forget them.
Okay, all right, just try to add 1 to 2 more sentences, okay? Then your answer will be good. Do people in your country wear sunglasses?
Yes, my people in my country like to wear sunglasses because there is a extreme summer, and in order to protect their eyes from harmful radiations and sunlight, they wear sunglasses.
Okay, this is better. Last answer was really good. You have the potential. Keep it up like this. You answered well as well. Okay, thank you. Good job.